Hey, right here.
Hold that. Wait, that way, Red, that way.
Marshall, back up.
Yeah, Man, run and jump, Carter! Good.
In the middle.
Switch back! Yes, go, ahead. Chance, I'm back. Move, Cutter, keep running. Cutter, switch. Stay there.
Good job, boy.
Back. Good. Top off, you got ball.
Turn around. Travel.
We are off. On the side. Next play.
Over here, guys.
Next play.
Red.
Up, Carter. Up, Omar.
Here we go.
Watch screen. Run and jump. Stay. 1-7.
All right, guys, 2 times.
Down, right.
One.
I'm playing here. Send him to the middle, okay? Lock out. Lock out. Run, Omar. Run. Okay. Omar.
Stop the ball.
Run, jump. Right. Motion. Good spot, Derek. Good spot. Order. Attack it, Trav. Good, I like it. Up. Man, come on, Omar. Don't foul. Play right. Run and jump. Turn. All right, good. Knock it down. Help! Boy, Derek, no need to play farther up the mat. Go! Hey, guys! Fire! Omar! Fire! Come back, Omar. Get down here. Basketball, Omar.
No shot.
Omar. Really good. Travis, good.
Red 11.
Good, Travis. Hey, strong. Set it. Look, Omar, look inside. Move it out.
No shot, baseline. Red 4, hold, baseline. Wait, coming in. No. Oh, my fault. The 7's the table. Come on in, Sub. Come on in. White ball right here. And new. Shoot it. Show. Matt. Oh, that's it. Oh, right here. Right here.
Strong. Omar, seal up. Look, Travis. Step in, Sullivan. That's not the play. Finish, Travis. Finish. Left hand on that, right, Omar? Hey, Travis, 13. Travis. Yes. 13, you're at the top. 13 cross. 13 cross. 13 cross into bears. 13 cross into bears.
One.
Battle wings. Hey, Jack. We're there. Oh, good tension!
Now this side.
Get downhill.
Defense. Right here, Ben.
Move it back. Move. Cut. That's good. Okay, good idea. Go, Trav. Go get it, Trav. Good idea. Go 13. 13 cross, okay? Drop. 13 extend. 13 extend. 13, where's 13?
Stop the ball! Stop it there! Stop the ball! Stop the ball!
You back. You don't have to be back.
Come on! Get you back!
Hey, 13! Get up!
Stay away!
13!
Oh, patience! X!
13!
One more! Come on! Be strong with the ball!
Back! 13! X! 13!
Who's in the middle?
Go up and get him!
Who's in the middle?
Get him! Now we're there. Go! Run! Get to the rim! 13 X into bear.
Yes, we're here.
X is extended. Guys, not there. 3/4 court. 13 X into bear. Omar. Go.
Hey.
Give it to Omar. All right, go.
Justin, right here, Justin.
Right. Move it. Move it. Cut Omar. Back up. Omar, you gotta miss that. Get the ball. Omar, get it. Clear out. Get the mismatch down. Give it to him. Crash chance. Hey, back. 13 to bear. There.
Go right. Just play down.
Holy shit.
It's yours.
We're bears. Go corner.
Good hit.
Yibble.
Shot!
13, that's all right. We got it. Back up. 3/4 court, not there. Travis, back a little bit more. We're high here. Okay. We're high here.
1-3-1.
High here, high.
1-3-1.
Omar, read Omar. Shut up. All right, go.
Nice job. Get back. Hey, here. Help. Look. Up screen. Next. Yes. Block.
Back. Bears.
Oh, you're out. Good job. Nice job.
Hey. Omar.
Hey, talk on the screens. On your help.
No, you Chad said it. Yeah, Chad said it.
I'm back.
Man the man. Pull.
24. Pull it out. Get back. 5 seconds. Help, Jack. Hey. 0.7 seconds.
Red 0. 0.7. Easy, guys.
Hey, you guys just shoot it quick. Here we go. Back. Cross screen, cross screen, cross screen, back.
Patience, reset. No rush. No rush.
Go.
Play off.
Okay, go, back. Go. Good, Chad. Good, Trav. Back, Jeff. Back.
Knock it down.
Good take. Going back.
Run up Friars. Who? Friars. All right, I got 0. Friars.
Hey, screen here up on the wing.
Friars.
Screen here up on the wing.
Execute. Up. Man to man. Up.
Get out of here. Come on. Come out. Red. Right. Whoa.
Don't get caught up.
That boy, great pass. Watch that back door.
What's up, windshield? That side.
Right now.
Hey! Good, Jan. Good basketball. Hey! We're in run and jump now. We're in run and jump.
Like.
Two. Or dominant in their first match.
Oh, this next shot.
And then
Carter. Match up.
Who's rebounding?
We're good.
Who's rebounding?
One.
Crash. Pressure, Omar.
Get out of there, get out.
Back up. Everybody get one. Come on, you gotta watch that stuff. Sullivan, your head should be lower than him. Your head should be lower than him. Chance, demand the ball now. It's your ball. It's gotta be your ball. Up.
White ball.
Our ball. Hey, run strong. Strong. Sullivan, you gotta steal off. Sullivan, get it. Sullivan!
Go!
Yo, you gotta hold him off. Your hip.
We go deal.
I got it.
Motion! Yeah, okay, Trav, let's go. Someone motion. Motion. Downstream. Finish.
No shot, travel.
Up.
Push you. Watch him go middle.
Up. Let's go.
You're good, bro.
Good. Work.
Yes, reset on that. Come on, nowhere.
Go, get it! Good. Go, run! Travis, come get that. Good. Up, Travis, up!
I'm not taking that. I'm not fucking with that.
all right.
Hold on, stop.
So sweet. Sally.
All right, white 10, technical foul. You don't want to sit both in the room.
Yes, come on out. Yes, come on out. All right, I don't mind it.
And red 11, technical foul. 13. Red 13, 13, technical foul.
I got it here, I got it here.
Sub, come on in. It's going to be down low, red ball.
Go! There, ball. Back up.
Good take. White 8.
Yeah,
Hit. 2.
he missed the shot though. That's good.
Lock out. Lock out.
I got new.
What?
Lock out. Good, Jen. Good, Jen. Up! Get out! Get up!
Right on the side.
Go off, everybody else. Omar, you ready? Omar, drill him. Omar, hit him. 0. Jesse, get somebody else.
Sub.
All right, Jen.
Sub.
Good job. Lock him up.
All right, here we go. Patience. Come this way, this way, this way. Hand out, hand out.
White 10!
Come on, D.
Step one in! Step in!
Ring, you saying?
One.
Lock out. Let's go. Let's run. More energy. Go.
Turn.
Motion. Use the screen. Motion. What did I say, Sullivan? What did I say?
Need your help.
Let it out. Get him up.
Red 13. 2.
Two times. Omar, back.
Technicals count as 2.
New man. We got new man. Give Jesse some love there, bro. He's looking for some love.
I got shooter.
Up! Double! Space! Give one more space! No shot, baseline. Good, Omar.
I got it. Yo, box, going. Here we go.
No, it's straight now.
Omar, get out. Space, 5 out. Get out, Travis. Get out. Ready to dish, Travis. You're ready to dish. Back goal. Running down there, getting him up, right? Okay, so I guess dark ball, right? Right, up, we're up, we're up, we're up.
Red ball on the side, guys.
We're up, everybody up.
That's the game. We got a delay. Let's go. Big game. Well, I don't know if it's the game, but we have to delay. There was lightning.
Correct, we're done. Thank you.
And thunder.
Yep, we're out. Let's go.
I don't know.
What's going on?
So does it get continued? Or maybe it's just a delay.
Red ball
So they say delay? Do we delay?
They're gonna cancel it till tomorrow. Maybe we'll make it up somewhere other day. There's thunder. But I knew this was gonna rain. I told them like cancel the game because this is a waste of ride for us coming all the way down here.
Would they pick up at like where they left off?
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry. Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm thinking it's only a half.
They didn't say.
Tommy, I'm too old to run to my car. I know. I'm all the way down the end of the street.
Oh, yeah. They're also supposed to be having lightning.
Yeah.
You're standing out front.
Yeah. All right. Well, hopefully we see you soon.
Mark said tomorrow night they're going to finish it.
Oh.